welcome to another YouTube video. Hope you guys are having a great week. It's been 3 weeks or maybe more since I posted a video. I'm not sure what's going on. It's just that it's just so hectic at work, and then I try to do a video and it's just doesn't happen. But I really have to keep up with the schedule and timeline and post a video every week. But other than that, I just want to say thank you so much. Now there are 200 subscribers, which is really cool. I think at the starting of January there were like 100 subscribers, and then I posted just 3 videos after that, or maybe just 2. I don't know, I should have posted more videos and I would have got more subscribers. But then I posted only like 2-3 videos and I got like 100 more subscribers, which is so cool, and I'm so happy about that. I really should post a video every week. This is a reminder video for you, Pavitra, so that you post a video every week. But I think it's been a long time since I posted my previous video, so I'm just gonna recap on what we did. My previous video was about a new design project. I wanted you to get an idea, a team, all the logistics, and do your user research. I went and did my user research. I have a set of results that I want to show you, and I also this time I want to talk about how you can analyze your results. Just remember that this part, where you do the user research and come up with something to do, is just like a starting point. You shouldn't be investing a lot of time in this, because once you create a prototype, testing that and trying to get feedback from that and trying to learn from that is a lot more beneficial than this user research step. So don't spend a lot of time on this. I'm just going to show you how to analyze the data, and then you can move forward and start with your persona. I'm getting a lot of messages. I think I should mute my phone. But and then I'll go on to persona and storyboard or user flow or anything of that sort, how to make it. But yeah, I think let's get on with the video, and I'm gonna show you what I did, how to analyze the results, and how to create a persona. So I created the chatbot using survey using surveymonkey.com. It's really useful because it tells me how many responses I've got, and I can analyze the data on the site itself. So I have about 10 questions asking about chatbots and if they've used it and what they feel about it, or any sort of questions that I think is useful for me to get the idea. And I also went about and asked other people outside, my friends and everyone, just had like a general chat about chatbots. And here you can also see the results over there. But pretty much what I've got is that a lot of people in the tech space know what a chatbot is and have interacted with a chatbot. But a lot of the people who are not from the tech space have interacted with a chatbot, but they don't know that it is one. Like, they've gone on sites and they've interacted with the customer service and chatted with them, but they didn't know it was one. But otherwise, pretty much everybody has used it, but then they like the conventional way of calling up customer service or booking in the conventional way more than using a chatbot. But still, it was interesting to find a couple of things, and that made me create this persona. The first one is a software developer. He's very tech savvy, and he uses a lot of new gadgets, new software tools, and keeps himself updated. And his biggest challenge is to communicate and network with people. He wants to keep up with his work as well as meeting people. The second one is an artist, a painter. She travels a lot to museums to display her art and to also get inspiration. And so she also likes to explore new products and software tools. And at the same time, she also does some digital painting. Her biggest challenge is to keep up with everything that she's doing. She's traveling, she's painting, she's meeting new people, and she likes to keep up. So from what I've interacted with people and from what personas I've created, what I've come to know is people do like using a chatbot. Even though they prefer the conventional way, they do like using it. And a lot of them have a lot of things going on pretty much around the age 15 to 40. A lot of them have this urge to do a lot of things, to explore a lot of things, meet new people, and just get everything going. And I know there are a lot of like planners and calendars and online tools and conventional ways to keep up with all of this, but I still thought it would be really cool to have like a chatbot which is self-help. So you can just ping it like, what is my agenda for today, and it's gonna tell you that. So I think this was a different twist to the classic calendar and planner kind of a thing, because I'm obsessed with planners and calendars. I cannot have enough of it, and I know a lot of people are too. So I thought having a chatbot who is your planner, or who is your agenda maker, or anything you might call it, would be actually useful. And so I think I'm gonna take on this idea and try to do more. And I did do a detailed analysis of this. I did like a pie chart, and I figured out stuff which I haven't put it on here just for privacy purposes, but you should definitely go ahead, analyze your results, put it in a pie chart, put it in a bar chart, or whatever it is. Just find out what is the age group that you have interviewed with, what is the different results that you have obtained. And also, now that you have the idea, you can start creating your user flow and your prototype, and then you'll get more ideas. So don't spend too much time on this. Just gather what you have, and we can do more, work more on this. So I hope you liked this video. It was very short. Was it? No, I don't think it was very short, but thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you get something out of it. Please create your persona and your user flow, and from the results that you got, you must have got an idea of what to start creating. So do that as well. And I'll meet you again next week, and I really hope it's next week, because I don't want to keep posting just once a month. I'm gonna post it every week, and I'm gonna do that for sure this time, hopefully. But thank you so much for all the subscribers. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please like and share and subscribe, so that I'll post a video every week mostly. And yeah, we'll meet again next week. Have a great day. Bye.